up, guys? Welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Melody and welcome to my channel. Anyway, it has been a hot freaking minute since I have filmed. Just a few fun facts. The last like 2 videos that I have uploaded on my channel were actually pre-recorded, so they were kind of spread out semi-evenly as far as the last few weeks as when I've uploaded them. But it's been well over a month probably since I have recorded last. My beauty area over here has really just taken a big huge change. I have updated my beauty storage. I don't know, I'm gonna span you over just a little bit. I don't know if you guys see this, but I bit the bullet and got the Alex drawers. I feel like every beauty YouTuber gets these, and I really wanted to refrain from getting them. I am very much opposed to doing things just because other people do them, and I feel like I hate fads and stuff, and so I feel like this was like a fad. But the more my makeup collection grows, the more I realize that I really do need something like this. So I actually went and got one. Got home to build it, and the very last piece, which was one of the sides to it, was like severely broken, and it took forever for that piece to actually get here. So yeah, that is why I'm just now actually sitting down to film, because my beauty area, my beauty space has been completely in disarray. But now everything is back to organization, and I feel like I can actually work. I don't know about you guys, but I'm the type of person that I cannot work if things are disorganized. So today's video, I definitely wanted it to be a tutorial because I need to do makeup. I need to do makeup. I have based this entire video, this entire look that I have in mind around one eyeshadow. This is from House of Beauty, and it is called Gold. This one eyeshadow. I don't know if you are picking this up, but you know, it's a beautiful gold color. It looks kind of yellowish, but it's actually green. It's like a greenish gold as opposed to like a yellow gold, but it is incredibly special. I absolutely love this color, and it is stunning. So my eyes are all set as far as primed and everything. I want this look to be very blown out. I think I'm going to mix some browns in there, and I think it's going to be pretty smoky. I first saw Cosmo by Haley use this shadow, and I could not believe it. I feel like it's getting more on my fingers than it ever is going to on my eyes. There we go. Like liquid gold. See what I mean as far as like the green? Oh my god, you guys, I can't with this color, y'all. I'm just blending with a Morphe E23. I know that you don't put shimmers and stuff in your crease, but this is makeup, and you can do whatever you want with makeup, so politely change your opinion about what you can and can't put in your crease. Okay, so I'm going to get a chocolatey brown, and I'm going to use my Smashbox Full Exposure palette to do that, because it is pretty much the right kind of brown that I am looking for. Probably this one right here. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this look. We're just gonna have to figure this out together, you guys. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. This is the EcoTools flat eyeliner brush. Alright, so this is a Morphe R41. I am just taking a bunch of that chocolate brown, and I'm putting it out on the outer V. Really give it some dimension. I'm going to use this brush again, this Eco Tools brush, and I'm going to dip into the black from that same palette. And I'm going to intensify it even more, but I'm only going to put this black near the lash line. There might be some people out there who might be bothered by the fact that I tug on my eyes. I know that it causes eye wrinkles, but so does old age. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows, which I'm just going to do those off camera real quick. So I am back and I have done my brows. As you can tell, they're a little bit stronger than they were before. So I am going to go ahead and work on my base. I'm going to prime using, this is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Prosecco Pop. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Minimizing Primer. I'm going to use just a little amount, just in the areas that I need. I had a lot of that shadow on my hands, so when I rubbed in the Becca, that may have gotten in on my face too. So, whoops. Okay, so I'm going to use a different foundation today. I actually got this at Ulta. They were doing their like 21 Days of Beauty. And so I picked this one up. This is the PÜR Cosmetics Confidence in a Compact. That is what it looks like. I am in the shade Fair because, as you can tell, I'm fair. This is a Morphe G1. I'm going to use this, but I'm also going to spray some MAC Fix Plus on my face. I'm just going to tap in here just a little bit. A lot of it. I'm going to work it into my skin. I don't know if I like this with a brush or not, because it seems that at some point the brush just picks up what I have already laid down, and that I don't like. Let's see if the sponge does the same thing. I really hope it doesn't. Yeah, it's doing the same thing. Just keep going. Yeah, so my first thoughts about this foundation, because this is the first time I'm using it, is that it's crap. It's basically, this foundation is not very buildable, because when you put on a layer, and whether it's dried or not, and you come back in and try to build it up more, it just takes off what you've already laid down. And I hate that. I have to have a buildable foundation. There are some areas where I need very minimal coverage. There are other areas that I want maximum coverage. So the fact that I can't do that with this foundation makes it a dud for me. I've already done all the dirty work, and where I need it, I could probably just go in with some concealer. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with my Colourpop. This is in the shade Fair Neutral. I'm also going to do some cream contouring. This is the Milani Contour and Highlight Cream in Liquid Duo. Basically, whatever makeup line I get, I always get the lightest shade because I am the fairest of them all. This is the Flower Miracle Glow Satin Finishing Powder. I love this stuff, however, I hate that it's so messy. I'm just going to go in. This is my Morphe E20. And I am going to set under my eyes first. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Dim Light. I'm just going to set the rest of my face using this. Now I am going to set my contour by going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I don't think I've ever used this on my channel before, but of course, I am in love with it. It's one of those things where I'm like, how did I go so long without owning this? Then I go in with a lighter brush here, and I will kind of blend the edges just a little bit. And I'm using a mixture of both this powder, oh, there's my mirror, this powder and this powder right here. Now that that is all set, I am going to work on my lower lash line, and I am going to first of all go back in with this brush here. Full of it. Blow it out down there more. Okay, so I may have gone a little too far with that, but I don't really think that I go too far with any kind of color when I love it this much. And I would really like to think that you guys felt the same way about it too. So, I'm going to go back in with this liner brush by Eco Tools. And let's smoke it up. It is so like duochrome, like it looks yellow on my eyes, but in person at the same time it looks gold or green. Like it changes. Let's go ahead and pop some lashes on. I think I'm going to use the PÜR Cosmetics Pro eyelashes. So I have my lashes on, and I've also put some, so this is the Maybelline Master Precise Skinny. This is in like what brown? Sharp brown, number 220. I put this in my waterline and tightline, and I also got my lashes on, and of course I curled and used the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I love this stuff. You've seen it before in my videos. So I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Pressed Powder Face Highlight. This is in Here Kitty Kitty or Hello Kitty. I cannot remember the name of it. It's on the pan underneath. I actually recently got this from Sephora. This is Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Glacé. It's kind of a neutral, which I think is kind of appropriate for this kind of eye look because it's quite a bit. I really, really like this. It glides on like a dream. I love the color. I think it's perfect for this look. I guess this is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being here and for watching it and for, I don't know, just being a part of something that I love to do. You know, this is something that I don't necessarily do with the intention of it ever really becoming successful. If you guys have any requests, I am more than willing to take any kind of requests that you guys have. So please just comment them down below. And of course, if you have any other comments, questions, whatever it may be, you can do that down there as well. I hope that you guys liked this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Yes! I wear my hair back and forth. I wear my hair back and forth. I'm becoming one of those people who I think I'm cool and I'm